Welcome to our awesome CSS series. In this series video, we break down each concept of CSS step by step. But in this video, we're gonna learn about different units in CSS. We will go through each one of those and explain it with the example, so it's gonna be easy to understand. Just before we dive into the video, make sure that you check previous video if you haven't yet. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. In CSS, units are quite good for each case. Let's take the most used and useful one in this video. And if you want me to do another part about other ones, let me know in the comment section below. Px stands for pixels. It's a unit of measure that's used to define the size of various elements on a web page, such as width, height, padding, margin, and font size. Pixels are the most used unit in the CSS. Pixels are used in the fixed unit of measurement and represent a single dot of computer or device screen. EM is a unit of measurement that's relative to the font size of the parent element, or in some cases the element itself. The value of one EM is equal to the current font size of the element. For example, if the font size of the element is 16 pixels, then one element or one EM is equal to 16 pixels. The REM units stand for root element or root font size. It's a relative unit of measurement that's based on the font size of the root element of the document, which is usually HTML element, unlike the EM unit, which is relative to the font size of the nearest parent or the element itself. REM is always relative to the root element. The value of one REM is equal to the font size of the root element. If the root element's font size is 16 pixels, then more REM is equal to 16 pixels. The percent or percentage unit is relative to the measurement that's often defined as size or position relative to the parent element. When you use a percentage value in CSS, it's calculated the size and dimension of the container or the parent element. You can set the width and the height of the element as a percentage of the width and the height of the container or the parent element, for example. In the same way, you could also setting the padding, margin, and so on. VH and VW are units that represent the percentage of the viewport dimensions. These units are useful for creating layouts and designed responsive to the size of the viewport. For example, 15 VH will be 50% of the viewport height. It's commonly used for elements that needed to scale the height of the viewport, while 25, for example, VW would be 25% of the viewport width. It's commonly used to create a layout adjusted based on the width of the viewport. It stands for degrees, and it is a unit of measurement for angles in a circle. One full circle divided into 360 degrees. You can use the positive and negative values with the degree to specify the direction of the rotation. Positive will go with a clockwise, while the negative will be the other way. Those three units are used with a specific measurement, especially in the context of the physical length. 1 cm will be stand for 1 centimeter, and that's the metric unit of the length, used for specific physical measurement on the screen such as width and height, while 1 mm will be 1 millimeter, also metric unit of length, smaller than centimeter, useful for more precise measurements. Finally, 1 in is stand for 1 inch, and also could be used for specific measurement in the inch. Awesome, you have made it so far. Thank you so much. I hope that you have learned new concept. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share the video so more people could benefit from this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.